Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add apps on startup on Windows 11. So are you ready? So let's get started. So if you log in to your Windows 11, the apps should be started automatically. How we can do that on Windows 11? It's very easy. Just follow the instruction. Okay. Right. Click on the search menu and type the apps which you want to start automatically for the first time when you log in. Okay. I'm going to choose Firefox, the browser. Okay, and right click on that and click on open on file locations. Okay, and you will come here and right click on the Firefox and click show more options, click properties, and here under shortcut you have to copy the target location, target path. Okay, click copy that and close it, and click on search menu and type run. Okay, and click on that. Here you have to write shell and then startup with two dots. Okay, and click OK. You will come to this path. Okay, right click on the empty area and choose a new shortcut. Okay, paste the path here and click next. Click finish. That's it. That's how you can add apps on startup on Windows 11. If you log in for the first time, Google Chrome will start automatically Firefox, and yeah, that's it. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you with it. See you in the next video.